It took me over 4 years to realize what I'm about to tell you guys in under 10 minutes. I made the mistakes, I blew the accounts, I over leveraged, I over traded, I lost a bunch of money, but you do not need to make the same mistakes that I made. For the people that don't know me, just a quick introduction. My name is Alex and I've been trading for over 4 years now. And I went from an unprofitable day trader working a job I was completely miserable at to becoming a full-time profitable trader. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into the video and let you know exactly what I'm talking about. The first thing is you need to have a trading plan. You'll be surprised how many people say they have a trading plan, but actually don't have it written down or anything and don't even really know what their trading plan is. The first thing is you need to stop trying to make money every single day. Now, I know that might sound weird because we're getting into trading, we're looking at the charts, we are trying to make money. Realizing this gave me one of the biggest mindset shifts that I've had in my trading journey, and it literally helped me go from an unprofitable to a profitable trader. Your job is not to trade every single day. Your job is to capitalize when the high probability setups present itself. So whenever that high probability setup does not present itself, that is your signal to stay cash and not place a trade that day. So some days are going to be no trade days, which means some weeks are going to be fewer trade weeks. But remember, we are trying to capitalize on high probability setups and preserve our capital. We do not need to place a trade every single day if our A+ high probability setup does not present itself. And you have to realize missing a trade does not mean you are missing out on money. It's going to happen. There's going to be plenty of opportunities in the market for you to take another trade. But if everything's not lining up correctly, then do not place that trade. You're not missing out on money because there's going to be other opportunities. You just need to be able to actually manage risk correctly and not lose more than you are winning. One bad trade should not blow your whole account. That is where a lot of traders are going wrong, is they're letting one bad trade blow their entire account. And you cannot let that happen. Give yourself room to be wrong, because there's not a strategy out there that has a 100% win rate. You are going to be wrong. Even if you've been trading for 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, there's going to be opportunities in the market where you think it's going to hit, but you're going to be wrong. That's why having good risk management is going to be key to this, because that is what's going to keep your guys' accounts alive long term. And remember, if you want to become a full-time profitable trader, consistency is what's going to get you there. Now, the next thing is journal absolutely everything. I'm telling you, journaling is so crucial in your trading journey. And if you're skipping over this, you are slowing yourself down by an exponential rate. When you're journaling, go ahead and put why you entered that trade, why your exit was right there, why your stop loss was right there. This is going to collect a whole bunch of data, and you're going to be surprised how much data it's going to collect. You're going to start to realize what your best days are, worst days are, what your most likely no trade days are. And when you start gathering all that data on yourself, on your strategy, that's when you're going to become more confident in yourself and more confident in your strategy, because journaling is not only teaching you things about your strategy, it should also be teaching you things about yourself. Your emotional side to trading, how you're managing your trades, how are you feeling when you enter, and how are you feeling when you exit. That is all crucial to understanding this game long term. The next thing is successful trading, in my opinion, becomes boring. And honestly, it didn't take me too long to realize that, but you do have to realize successful trading is boring. We're not here to put on a show every single day. Me, I'm here to make money. I show up to the charts to make money. It's the same process every single day, but that is how I've been able to become a full-time trader, is by following that same process every single day. Why? Because I found that that process works for me long-term, so there's no reason for me to change it. Quit trying to hop onto the next thing, focus on one thing enough, and that is going to help you long-term. But successful trading is going to be boring, and you have to realize that, because if you start to get bored, that's when a lot of people go ahead and hop over to the next strategy, or they watch the next stream, because their mind's not fully there. They just see this as entertainment, when in reality, you have to separate entertainment and business. Trading is a business, and if you want to make money from this long term, you're going to realize you're going to be showing up to the charts. Majority of the time, it's going to be waiting, and that's just the reality of it. So you have to realize successful trading is going to be boring. The next thing is trading is a you versus you game, and if you haven't realized this yet, now's the time to listen in, because this is going to be one of the most important things I mentioned in this video. It's a you versus you game mindset. A lot of people lose because they don't have the mindset for this, and they don't recognize it's a you versus you game. You need to make sure you are emotionally stable enough to be doing this. You're going to realize you're going to start panicking before you're entering, or you're going to start panicking while you're in a trade, right? That is a you versus you game. You need to learn how to become disciplined. You need to learn how to manage risk correctly and be less emotional on the charts. If you're panicking before you enter a trade, or if you're panicking while you're in the trade, you're way too emotional right off the bat, and you need to figure out what's causing you to be that emotional. Is your risk too high? People are too emotional while managing their trades is because they're over leveraging. Are you over trading, placing too many trades in a day where you're just bouncing back and forth of making money and giving money back to the markets? You need to be confident in yourself, and you need to be confident in your strategy. And that's going to come from actually showing up to the charts every single day and trading, live trading, back testing, and journaling, like I just mentioned. And once you realize that you're going to be confident in yourself and you're going to be confident in your strategy, that's when you're going to start getting less and less and less emotional on the charts. But if you don't recognize it's a you versus you game, and you're going to be the emotional trader that just makes stupid decisions like over trading, over leveraging, revenge trading, all that sort of stuff, that's just going to hold you back from becoming profitable long term. And you need to start dialing in on all the other stuff, especially journaling, if you want to get more confident in yourself and more confident in your strategy. Here's another thing for you guys. Stop judging yourself by one trade only. One loser does not mean your strategy doesn't work. One loser does not mean you're a sucky trader. Losses are a part of the game, so you need to quit judging yourself by that one loser. If you want to be profitable long-term, like I keep on saying, you have to think long-term. So the next 100 trades, 200 trades, that's what really matters. You think in the next 100 trades, if you win 70 out of 100 trades, that one loss you're worrying about right now is actually going to matter that much? It's not, bro. If you have good risk management, your win rate's high enough like that, 70 out of 100 trades, that's a 70% win rate. You're going to be okay as long as you're managing risk correctly, you're being disciplined and only taking high probability setups, and when you enter a trade, you're managing risk correctly. All this ties together, and you need all of this to become a profitable day trader. The last thing I'll most likely be talking about is comparison is a thief of joy, and make sure you do not compare yourself to others. That's just gonna slow you down in your trading journey, to be honest with you guys, man, because you might be on year 1 of your trading journey, that person might be on year 5, and you're comparing yourself to them when you guys are on 2 totally different levels, man. So make sure you recognize that this is your own journey, but you have to be putting in the work. And the thing is, you could be showing up every single day, working your ass off, but you're not doing the right stuff. So you're actually not moving forward. You're still staying in the same position or even moving backwards. So you need to make sure you're working on the correct stuff, being disciplined, managing risk correctly, and overall learning how to be patient on the charts and off the charts. And comparing yourself to others, like I was just mentioning, is just always going to make you feel behind. And like I said, you need to cut that out, because you're going to see that trader getting a Lambo while you're not getting a Lambo, and you're going to feel like you're totally behind. Or you're going to see this trader move into a new apartment, a new house, whatever, when you're not, and all you're doing is taking losses. You're going to feel behind. Remember, your goal is to become a consistently profitable trader. This is your journey, and you need to recognize that and just have tunnel vision and work on yourself and cut all the others out. If you want to go the mentor route, get one mentor, listen to what he has to say, and then just stay dialed in. All right, guys, I don't want this video to be too long or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. This was just a few things, man. There's a whole list of stuff I can go over, but I wanted to just talk about a few key things. If you guys liked the video, make sure you leave a like. And if you want to trade live with me, I'm live every Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. to usually 10:30 to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to trade live with me, click the link in the bio that says trade live with me, or the link in the description. If you want to apply to the one-on-one mentorship, click the link in the bio or link in the description that says apply to the one-on-one mentorship. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.